More breaking news here on Headlines Today. The 4-member investigative committee that was formed by Vishwa Bharati authorities to look into the urine leaking case submitted their report to the Vice-Chancellor Sushanta Datta Gupta, who has now forwarded it to the Chancellor, that is the Prime Minister's office. The committee is headed by Professor Aruna Mukhopadhyay. The salient features of the report, let's bring you that now. The warden, that's Uma Poddar, who tried to punish the victim for bedwetting and directed her to lick her urine after mixing it with salt. Though the warden forced the victim, but ultimately she did not lick the urine, is what the report says. Now this is confirmed by the 12 roommates of the victim who were present during the incident. Victim's mother was aware of the treatment as she had consulted Uma Poddar many times about her daughter's bedwetting problem in person as well as over the phone. On the evening of the incident, warden Uma Poddar called up the victim's mother to apologize as well. From the next time, during the process of recruiting wardens, Vishwa Bharati will focus on the qualifications as well as the background of the wardens and even see whether specific training has been given to them or not. Hostel infrastructure should be developed and modernized as well. That's what the report says. Alright, so the 4-member investigative committee has submitted its report to the Vice-Chancellor, and this report will now be forwarded to the Chancellor, in this case the Prime Minister's office. The committee was headed by Professor Aruna Mukhopadhyay. Some of the features of this report, let's quickly run you through them. Warden Uma Poddar tried to punish the victim for bedwetting, but the report says that ultimately the victim did not do that, and this has been confirmed by 12 of the roommates of the victim.